Let's proceed with this. Okay, we already know what we can expect from this critical thinking and problem solving. We have around 4 to 5 questions related to data sufficiency today. In previous session we discussed data sufficiency one question only. Today we have 4 questions around related to data sufficiency as well. Right now, let's see about the question related to flowchart. Let's see this question related to flowchart. What they given here? Add value in box 3 plus box 8. Is it first question or last question in that section? Please try to attack the flowchart in critical thinking. That's the strategy you need to follow. Right. So value in box 3 is 25. Value in box 8 is 5. The summation should be kept in box 9. It is updated to 30. So box 9, 20 should be updated to 30. Then value in box 2 is 40. Value in box 5 is 30. 40 less than 30, no, it's failed. When it failed, it's not end of the process. You are going for the Z step. After that, end, but end will come. After the W, you are going for Z, then end is there after that. Okay, so you have to do the Z step. What is this? This is V step. After V, W. In W condition fail, directly you are going for Z step. Value in box 8 is 5. Value in box 4 is 10. The product is 50. You have to update that in box 3. Box 3 is updated to 50. So only thing updated is box 3 and box 9. Now one of the general question they'll ask is, which box has highest value? Guys, which box has highest value? Which box has highest value? And the other question they'll ask is, what is the difference between box 1 and box 2? So for which box is highest value is box 10 as per this question. Okay, highest value is box 10. Difference between box 1 and box 2, it's not updated. 60 and 40 difference is 20. And at the end of the flow chart, box 3 is having 50. At the end of this flow chart, box 3 is having 50. Box 1, box 2 not updated in the process. So difference between box 1 and box 2 is nothing but 20. 3 questions are that. Highest remaining value is box 10. Difference between box 1 and box 2 is 20. And box 3 value at the end of the flow chart. Box 3 at the end of the flow chart is 50, right? So see, you are taking hardly 1 or 2 minutes to solve that question. One more related to flow chart. See this one more question related to flow chart. Some of the students asked, okay, so we need some questions from flow chart as well. So that's what I am discussing the flow chart related questions. Value in box 6 is 25. Value in box 6 is 25. Value in box 3 is 8. The product is 200. So box 3 is updated to 200. Good. Next one is box 7. K step is completed. Next L step must be mandatory. Value in box 7 is 60. Value in box 1 is 12. 60 greater than 12. Yes. So this is condition true. Then you have to perform M step. What is M step? Value in box 1 plus value in box 7 to be added and update in box 8. So box 8 becomes 72. Box 8 becomes 72. Right? Okay, fine. Next, N step also you need to do. Value in box 5 is 80. Value in box 6. Box 5 is 80. Value in box 6 is 25. 80 divided by 25 should be stored in box 6. Okay. It's around 3.2. We got some fraction. Fine, let it be. Okay, it's changed it to 3.2. Next, subtract value in box 3. Value in box 3 is 200. Value in box 8 is 72. The result should be stored in box 5. Means it is 128. Again, they generally ask, okay, one question is, which box has lowest value? Which box has highest value? Which box is lowest value? Which box is highest value? That's one of the definite question we'll get. So guys, what's your answer for that? Which is highest, which is lowest? Yeah, the highest is box 3, the lowest is box 6, and difference between box 3 and box 5 or box 4 and box 5, like that they'll ask you the question. So the process you try to understand. If that condition fail, then go for O step. Condition true, all the steps must be done to end the process. As simple as right. Highest, lowest, likewise they'll ask the question. And difference between okay, box 6 and box 5 and box 6 or box 3 and box 5, like that they'll ask the question. And that you can handle. See the next flow chart. One more flow chart. With this, we'll go for the other type of questions. Today itself, I given 3 different flow charts. Okay, similar structure, I do agree. Structure is similar. 3 different questions we are discussing. If anyone screen is not visible, means please try to zoom. I just want to show the entire flow chart. I went for zoom out. If you want, you can zoom the things. Box 8 is 50. A step. Box 8 50. Value in box 2 is 30. 50 minus 30 is 20. Box 10 is updated to 20. 20, sorry. Box 10 is updated to 20. Okay. Then value in box 10, is it greater than value in box 5? No. Fail. So you are a bit lucky. You are jumping directly into E step. Or else here there is one more decision loop. You need to go for that loop also. But here you are directly jumping. As the condition no, you are directly jump. Right. So now what is this E step? E step, this is A step, B step, then directly jump to E step. Puzzles by solving more and more questions. Today also we'll discuss some puzzles. Box 7 is 20, box 4 is 10, the product division is 2. So box 6 is updated to 2. So one of the common questions is which box has highest value? At the end of the flowchart, which box stored the highest value? At the end of the flowchart, what is stored in box 6? They'll ask this question. So what is stored in box 6? What is the highest value at the end of the flowchart? Which box has the highest value remaining? Okay. And difference between box 5 and box 6, like that they'll ask. Okay. Fine. Now let's see puzzles by practice more and more questions. We already given enough puzzles actually in yesterday's session, today's session, and already I shared one more video for you people in the group. So almost 3 videos. You can see the approach, and I given puzzles exclusive video also. So to understand the base from basic onwards, right? Now let's see about the syllogism related question. You know how important syllogism, around 4 to 5 questions chances. Now see the options. Yeah, this is the question. You don't have option either or. Either or is not there. So draw diagram. If you failed in one diagram, throw it out. First one, satisfy the statement, draw the diagram. Hope my voice is clear. No table is window. All wooden are chairs. No table is window. All wooden are chairs. Like this you can draw. Still few more also you can try. But what is the first conclusion? All tables are chairs. Failed means first one not correct. Next, no table is chair. Second one failed here. Third one, Some chairs are wooden. Third one correct here and here. Here first one also fail. First one fail, second one fail, third one true. Fourth one, all chairs are wooden. Fail. So fourth one fail. First one fail, second one fail, fourth one fail. The beauty of this question, this option A is nothing but only three follows. Guys, see, they said 1 to 4 is wrong. Only three follows. That's option A. Instead of saying only three follows, they given the option in that way. Excellent question, actually. We just try to check it out. Okay, here only three follows is what they want to convey. Only three follows means it's nothing but option. The one you have to select is option A. Hope it's clear for you. Right. Let's see about the next question. See the next question, please. Syllogism. Okay. Now, statements and assumptions. In statements and assumptions, so previous one, okay, we discussed syllogism in number of questions already. Your job is satisfying the statement, draw the diagram. Okay. Those who are not attended the previous session, I already shared a video in the Telegram group. Please try to complete that. Then you can understand syllogism more and more. Syllogism topic exclusive video also shared in the group. Kindly complete that. If you are, this is the first session of mine for you people, you may be in confusion. So we're already supporting from my end in different ways. Okay, so please try to utilize those things. Okay, draw the diagram satisfying the statement. Here, first one failed, second one failed, fourth one failed. So first one wrong. I don't want first one in the answer. So D eliminated. Second one wrong. So C eliminated. Fourth one wrong. They said fourth one follows. Eliminated. Conclusion should be true in all diagrams. Which is true in all diagrams is third one. Third one true. So this is nothing but neither 1, 2 nor follows. 1 to 4 are failed, they said. This meaning is only 3 follows is the meaning. Right. So see the next one. Somebody asking about Telegram group. I'm sharing you. Okay, topic wise, okay, related to puzzles, or it may be coding and decoding or number series, syllogism topic, flow chart, and entire overview of AR and CT. Two sessions also shared. Kindly go through it, and I hope everybody received the link right now. Just type aptitude Hemant in Telegram. You can find the things. No space in between. Right. So let's see about this question: statement and assumptions. Here, I already mentioned like assumption is nothing but this statement is given by a person. What he is while giving the statement, what that person is assuming. Please understand the topic basically. What the person is assuming while giving that statement. Simple. What is that person assuming by giving that statement? While giving that statement. So what they said, I hope my voice is clear. Please check from your end as well. Having a good internet is badly required for this. Okay. The school has some very rigid ideas about discipline. So they have rigid, strict ideas regarding discipline. For instance, students are not allowed to wear their hair in ponytails, only in braids. Okay, so they're very much disciplined. Right. So first one, brides are considered a more disciplined hairstyle. Yeah, they are very rigid in discipline, so they have considered brides is a discipline. That's why they are asking students to not to wear ponytail hair. You have to go for brides. Okay, that's correct. It is harder. They are not focusing on this is hard. They want to, they don't want to trouble the students. They feel that bride hairstyle is okay, well disciplined compared to ponytail. So they don't want to put the students in a hard position, not like that. That's what not their assumption. So only first one is correct. While giving the statement, what those person is assuming. Right. Some people are texting, voice is very low. I'm trying to shout like anything. So please from your end, please increase the device sound. See the next one. Yeah. Now again, argument, statements and assumptions, one question, argument related, one question. And you have to read this very importantly. Support sometimes they'll give weaken. I repeat, sometimes they'll give which among the options support it, which among the options weaken the argument. They given an argument, okay, which is weakening the argument, which is supporting the argument is what they're asking. Those who are attending the session from remote area, okay, where network is low, you people will feel difficult because this require good internet actually. Compared to all other apps, this app required good internet to attend the online session. So please check it out. Okay. For remaining sessions also same problem will come. Honey will never go bad, so that once less thing you have to throw out when you clean out your pantry. It's not required. That's what they want to say. Don't throw it out. Okay. No need to throw it out. Honey will never go bad. You also don't want to put it in a refrigerator. So refrigerate honey to use it for longer. They didn't say you don't want to supporting one you require. Weaken the argument means yeah, refrigerate honey to use it for longer time. If you put this, then it is weakening that. They said you don't want to refrigerate it. Honey cannot be stored for long. They said it can go for long time. They're not discussing about old honey. This is also weakening the argument. Okay, not perishable one. It's not a perishable item. Okay. Next, puzzle. Yes, see. And puzzles don't worry too much. They are giving one easy, generally one hard puzzle likewise. That combination. Don't worry too much. Now see about this question. Okay, you have 4 questions for this simple data. Everybody try this. Okay, I request everyone to take the screenshot also for practicing the puzzle later. In fact, okay, as when date comes closer of your drive, our team is going to enable a test portal for you. All these questions will be there in the test portal. Every subject, okay, in general, maximum questions all are available in the test portal. You people can take the test and you can get practice there also. Fine. For up to now, at that point, if you want to practice the things, please use this. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right. See the entire data. Direct information is where between G and J, one gap required. Now, this is the direct information, you know. What is the direct information? Is sixth day of the week. Sixth day of the week for first day is Monday. Saturday is generally called sixth day of the week. So group I is performing on Saturday. So Saturday assigned, I completed. Yeah, fine, sure. Everybody try this. In the question, go for the direct info. And today I'm just trying to plan to discuss one set of AR as well. One set of AR where you can feel hardly 15 questions, you can do it in 10 minutes. Five people, 5 different days are mentioned. So sixth day of the week means nothing but Saturday. That indicates Saturday only. So Saturday is I completed. Then K will perform just a day before G. So K is definitely before G. Okay. Group G will be performing at an interval of 1 from G. So J is taking one gap. It can be JKG or it can be KGJ. One among that possible. I will not perform on the first day or the last day. So I will not perform on the first day. If it is this case, I should perform on first day. K I is not perform on first day. Yes, that we know I is on sixth day, right? So that is no way useful. This information is no way useful. Now, okay, what is left over? H, right? So fine. There are two possibilities still. So this is one thing. I can put J, K, G, here H, one possibility. So I'm writing both possibilities here. J, K, G, I, and here H is one case. The other case is K, G, J, H. Two chances are there. As per this, so far I am checking once again. I will not perform on the, it may be H, it seems. H not perform first day last day, that's the only chance. J will perform at an interval of 1 from G. So J and G between one gap. I is on the sixth day. There are two possibilities. Which is on Friday? That's fixed. G is on Friday. Okay, that's no way problem. Either this, okay, sometimes, okay, they're not giving full data. Options are going to help us to come out of that question. This is the case. Okay, next one. On which day K perform? That's also fine. Thursday. On which day K perform is both the cases Thursday only possible. Right. So next one, which will perform on the last day? H is there, J is there, both also. Wait, on which day I perform? I perform on Saturday, that's clearly there. But for this question, there are two chances, right? Which group will perform on the last day of the upcoming week? You check once, okay, there is two chances. Still, any instruction we are missing, we'll see that. Go to the data once and check. Is anything we are missing? I'm also checking with the original questions. Maybe while typing, people may do some mistake. So that's what I am checking once. Yeah, first group I will not perform on the first day or last day. Okay. K is just a day before G. Yeah, fine. K is just a day before G means is there one gap or not that we need to consider. So J will be performing at an interval of 1 from this. I will be perform on the sixth day. That's it. So fine. So there is a problem seen like this. There are two arrangements possible actually. And here last day can be HRJ. Both are there. Fourth statement, can it be K, J, J, I, H? J will perform at an interval of 1. Okay, fine. J will be performing at an interval of 1 from G. That's what gap required, right? After they said, okay, cool. Somebody is saying that, sir, why can't it will be K, G, J, I, H? They need one interval gap, right? Interval at an interval of 1 means it seems that one gap required, right? Some people are thinking in this direction. I, up to my knowledge, with that statement meaning, there should be a gap between G and J. Whether you agree with that gap required or not, J will perform at an interval of G. Yes, that's what. Sir, can it be kj? That's what the problem. Why not k? There is a one interval gap. So that's not okay. Gij. Yes. Gij that we already kept. Fine. Okay. Maybe if we think if they use the word after, J will be performing after G. Okay. If we considering is interval of one gap, but it can be either ways. But this is the possibility is more for this one. Possibility is more for that one. We can take possibility of more. See, sometimes data may not be fully correct or fully given because they are developing n number of questions, okay, in the given time, and every set they want to go ahead. I is one interval gap. Where they given I is one interval gap. J will be performing at an interval. It's J only. I will check once. I'm opening that question I have. So it's J only, dear. It's not I. Question is exactly correct one. There is nothing wrong in that. Don't worry. The question is actually same. There is no problem, but we can preferably go with this, saying that okay, after J is okay performing a interval of one from G. It's after G we may consider in as per the order Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In that order wise, we can think that J is going after that, and J can be taken the last. That's what the least we can go ahead. Among those, we can consider okay, J is after that. So J is the last day is suitable. I too agree. Okay, it can be either or. There is one gap before or after. But as per the order of the statements like Wednesday, Thursday, considering that, we may consider J is one interval after G. From G means it's going away. Like that, we may consider the best one. Among all this, this is wrong. As one of your friend asked, but this is wrong. We need a gap of one interval. So this is a bit easy only, but data they are not given full. That's their mistake. Don't worry about from your end. It's this is done. Okay, either these two, but among that best suitable is right side when we are going. Guys, we have to discuss pros and cons both. I don't want to be from one mind. Good to see people are for okay active in the discussion and asking the questions. That's what required. Maybe same question will come, may not come. But problem you need to know the approach. Now see this question, syllogism question. All eggs are vowels, some vowels are round, all round are tight. These are the statements. Your job is satisfying the statement, draw the diagram, and which conclusion holds correct. Right, check once. All eggs are vowels. Some vowels are rounds. All eggs are vowels. Some vowels are round. All eggs are vowels. Some vowels are round. Now, your conclusion, sir, why this many diagrams? It's not required actually. We can draw one diagram. By experience, with one diagram also I can close. Let's say I draw this one diagram. Let us say I draw only this diagram. After that, I'll see conclusion. This is what you can say the time in exam. Conclusion one. All tides are roads. Okay, sorry, there is one more thing, right? All rounds are tides. So this is the other thing. All rounds are tides. Okay. Now all tides are rounds. First one fail. Some tides are X. Second one fail. Some vowels are ties. Third one true. So I want first and second fail. So first one fail, second one fail. So third one is there only in B option C. With one diagram, I'm done with my job. I given you the approach of going with multiple diagrams here just for your idea, but I just concluded my things here itself. With first diagram itself, you came to know one wrong, two wrong. Without one and two, there is only one option B. Only three follows. Only three follows. First one wrong. All rounds are ties, but ties are not inside that rounds, right? So all ties are rounds is wrong. Some ties are eggs. Ties and eggs are not connected. Second one wrong. Oval and tie somehow connected. So third one correct. So third one correct. First, second wrong. First, second wrong means all these are eliminated. Only B option. I hope you are not done with the previous session. You have to know. We draw the diagram, okay, related to the statement and decide which conclusion true, which conclusion false. I draw the diagram. All eggs are ovals. Some ovals are round. All round are ties. Your first conclusion: all ties are round. No, all round are ties. Not all. This part of tie is not inside the round. First one wrong means I don't want first one in the answer. Out. Second one, some ties are eggs. Tire and egg are not connected. Second one out. Second one is there in A option remove, C option remove. So only option left over is B. That's how simple. So I can see still some people are asking repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Clearly indicates that you people not attend to the previous session. I I can 100% say that you people not attend the previous session. So please be regular. As people are feeling CT difficult, I taken session yesterday and today. I'm closing by today. That CT from my end. As people are feeling difficult, I taken and maybe some people knowingly or unknowingly not attend the sessions. I given the video also. Please use it. Now again try here. Those who are saying okay, I'm not done with the previous question or having doubts still, at least try here. Draw the diagram satisfying the statement. Step one. You draw many diagrams, okay, it's one diagram or two diagrams are all up to you. By experience, you will get that idea. In previous session, also more than 10 questions we discussed related to syllogism. Today also that's the thing. Some giraffes are tall. No tall, sorry. This is tall only, not tall. No tall is donkey. All whites are donkeys. Now conclusions they given. Right? So your job is first some part of giraffes are tall. If some person saying that I don't have idea related to syllogism, we already shared a video to update the knowledge related to syllogism. Kindly go through that video. How to draw these diagrams, everything is given. That aptitude Hemant Telegram app, you can just check it out. We have all those stuff. Previous session video also I kept. No tall is donkey. Next, all white are donkeys. Right. Now here, conclusion one. Some white are tall. Wrong. I can draw many other diagrams also. I'm just showing you with one diagram what is going on. Some white are tall. White and tall not connected. Second one, giraffes are donkey. Giraffes and donkey not connected here. White and giraffe is also not connected. All failed. That's why none of the conclusion follow. You can draw many diagrams also. My suggestion is first to draw one diagram as there is no option called either or. Right? So draw one diagram. See what is happening. All gone means okay, it's none. You can try other diagrams like this. Some giraffes are tall. No tall is donkey. No tall is donkey they mentioned. So tall and donkey are not connected. You can put donkey in this side. No tall is donkey. You can put it in other side. Then they mention all white are donkeys. You can draw Like this also, that's what I'm telling you. It's not only one way. You can draw on many ways like this. Still, it satisfies the statement. I just want to trigger your minds that these are the different ways of drawing the diagram. Clear? Now see the next question. Yes, data sufficiency. What is data sufficiency? How to do? Actually, in this set, there is one more puzzle related to San Francisco, Los Angeles. We discussed in previous session. That's why I removed it. I kept other puzzle. San Francisco, Los Angeles related one. I removed it voluntarily because it's done in previous session. Just previous one. Now here, if you see, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you want to find value of a plus b plus c. Statement 1 alone is possible or not. Statement 2 alone is possible or not. Then if not possible together, don't go for together directly. You have to try alone, then we have to go for together. What they said, sum of the squares of the roots. If alpha and beta are roots, alpha square plus beta square is 200. So using that, I cannot find the quadratic equation. Waste. 2 alone. Alpha beta equal to 53. Using this one alone also not possible. But together, yes. Alpha square plus beta square equal to 200. Alpha beta equal to 53. What is the answer you don't want, my dear? As you have two equations, you can calculate alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square from this. Alpha minus beta you can calculate. Then you can calculate alpha and beta. Once you got alpha and beta, I hope you know quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Then you can find ABC values for sure. You can find ABC values for sure, no problem. No problem. Okay, you can find, okay. So together is sufficient. Together is required. Option A. Alone not possible. One alone, two alone, both you have to try before coming for together. One alone not possible. Two alone not possible. What is the answer exactly, sir? It's not required, my dear friend. For kind info, it's not required. What is the exact value of ABC? No. To find that, what is the data required? Right? So that's what the thing. Okay, what is the data required is I want alpha and beta values. This is just two equations, two unknowns you can calculate. Somebody is asking regarding, sir, what about second diagram? My dear friend, whether you know or not, we repeatedly saying a number of times, your conclusion must be true in all diagrams. As already it's failed here, don't go ahead. Here, first one failed, second one correct, third one correct. Okay. But is it second one true in all diagrams? Your conclusion must be true in all diagrams. It's not true in all diagrams. That's why you are removing. That is why you have to attend for all the sessions regularly. It should be true in all diagrams. Kindly, those who asked, go to the syllogism basic video, concept video. Next, one more. Okay, related to statements and conclusions, a syllogism concept. Then data sufficiency again we have. Conclusion must be true in all diagrams. No problem. You will get some answer right. It may be in points also what's there. Somebody saying, okay, it may be typing error or what we know. I can't say this. Okay, it may be whether give 53 exactly or not. No, there is some value you'll get, right? You have alpha square plus beta square, alpha beta. You can calculate alpha plus beta. It will be in points also, no problem. I may got 0.2 x square minus 0.3 x plus 0.002. No problem. They said, okay, we're not talking about ABC as integers, we are not talking about. Fine, okay. It should be non-negative integers. Root should come non-negative integers. That depends on alpha and beta if you got. Suppose alpha and beta are not non-negative, maybe integers, then we have to say both statements together is not sufficient. We need additional data. If alpha and beta are not integers, maybe here while typing or giving some data may be a mistake. Don't worry about it. The approach, maybe it's 54. Might be it's a 54 or some other value. We have to check that. Okay. Product is 53 and the given sum of the squares is 200, or it can be 57, like, okay, what not. See the next question. The approach you please see. Okay, depends on the question values exactly. We can discuss this. Now here, some calciums are irons, some irons are vitamins, some vitamins are pills. This is one diagram. You have either or. My dear friend, when you have either or, hold on. Either or is there. You cannot eliminate directly. This is one diagram. The other diagram, some calciums are iron, some iron are vitamin, some vitamin are pills. Still, this is also correct. You can draw many more also, but see here, first one, some pills are calcium. Pills and calcium not connected. Some vitamins are calcium, wrong. Some calciums are vitamins, wrong. No pill is calcium, correct. Pill and calcium not connected, true. Whereas here, some pills are calcium, correct. Some vitamins are calcium, correct. Some calciums are vitamin, correct. No pill is calcium, wrong. Now listen, they said either 1 or 4, either 1 or 2. My dear friend, either or means if both fail at a time, it's not either or. What is either A or B? Either if both fail at a time, it's not either or. So directly this can be eliminated. Either or is wrong, either 1 or 2 is wrong. Then, sir, what about 1 and 4? Only 1 and 4 means 1 should be true in all cases, no. Only 2 and 3 means 2 should be true in all cases, no. Actually, answer either 1 or 4. Why? When first one fail, fourth one true. When first one true, fourth one fail. This is what either are. When 4 true, first one fail. When first two true, fourth one fail. Either are. Whenever either are is there, hold on. And in fact, I said, okay, when it is either or, words should be same similar thing. Pill, calcium, calcium. One say there is a connection, one say there is no connection. Okay, either 1 or 4 follows series. Either or. It's not only about that, the diagram should say, diagram is supporting that. When first one true, fourth one false. When fourth one true, first one false. Either or. Either or is very, very important. Now again syllogisms, and lucky thing is there is nothing called either or. Discuss more and more questions, solve more and more questions, we'll get more idea. So all shirts are trousers, shirts, shorts, please be clear with that. Shirts, shorts, okay, that terminology, please be clear. You can draw n number of diagrams, but still, yes, you can draw n number of diagrams. So for previous one, some calciums are iron. Is it I means iron? Yeah, iron. Some iron are vitamins. Some vitamins are pills. This is also correct only. What's going wrong? This is also correct here. They're also okay. When all pills are calcium, some pills are calcium is correct. First one correct. Some vitamins are calcium. Yes, when all vitamins are calcium, some vitamins calcium, some calcium are vitamins. No pill is calcium is wrong. Still, that's what the same thing will come. We can draw like this also. You can draw like this also, but still, all these are true. Same thing came. And I already mentioned, whenever all x or y comes, definitely some x or y is definitely true. When all boys are good, boys in my class also good. Boys in my class means some boys, right? So when all students are good, students in my class are good. Students in my class means some students. So when all is correct, obviously some will be true. Here people are arguing all vitamin are calcium. Yes, some vitamin are calcium, correct. When all is true, obviously some also true in that case. This we explained in the basic video. That's what requesting. Please attend for all the sessions regularly. This is what happens. Now, serious. All shirts are trousers. Shirts. SH I am writing. All shorts are shirts. SHO. All jackets are shorts. Okay, fine. I think this is the shirts. Here shorts. Here jackets. This is the statement. Okay. Now all jackets are trouser. First one correct. Some shorts are trousers. This is what, my dear. All shorts are trousers, but still some is always true. You got all shorts are trousers, but still always whenever all comes, some is definitely true. So here some is there is definitely true. This is what I'm telling a number of times from previous session or maybe in that basic video also. Next, some trousers are shirts. Yes, some part of trousers are shirts. Third one correct. Fourth one, some trousers are shorts. Some part of trousers are shorts. Yes, fourth one also correct. Fourth one not there in the options. All follows actually. What's there? All jackets are shorts. All shorts are shirts. All shirts are trousers. This is all and some. All jackets are trousers. Definitely true. True. No second thought. Some shorts are trousers. Correct. Some trousers are shorts. Shirts. Some trousers are shorts. Correct. Okay, none of the above because all follows is the answer. Answer must be all follows required. Answer none because all follows is correct. You draw a number of diagrams, still you will get all follows. All follows is the correct answer. No, it's not only 1 and 2, 3 and 4 also true. Fourth one also true, dear. Fourth one also true. There is none of the above also, right? They didn't mention none of the conclusion follows. There is a different meaning. None of the conclusion follows means all conclusions are wrong. Here they said none of the above options. None of the above means none of the options. None of the above means none of the options. All trousers are not shorts. They didn't mention all trousers are shorts. They said this is trouser. Some part is occupied by shorts. Correct only, right? What's wrong? This is trouser area. Some part is occupied by shorts. Correct only. This is trouser area. Some part is occupied by shirts. Correct. I think that's what you people having some missing in clarity. We given already this one. Some PRQ. This is also correct diagram. Only this is P, entire area. Some part occupied by Q. This is also correct. Not only this diagram. For some PRQ, this is also correct only. Entire area of P, some part is occupied by Q. Upgrade, upgrade. Be with open mind, please. See the next question. None of the above also one of the option. Please consider. Don't ignore it. In a lot of government jobs also, definitely they'll give one of the options, none of the above. In fact, that answer might be true also, most cases. Now here again, back to the scenario. See, some chairs are sofas. There is no either or. You have a freedom. When it failed, you throw it out. Always look into the options. When either or is not there, first one wrong means throw it out. Some chairs are sofas. All sofas are beds. Some chairs are sofas. All sofas are bed. You can draw many diagrams like that, but fine. All bed are sofas. Wrong. Some sofas are not shades. Yes, these sofas are not shades. But here, all sofas are shades. Second one failed. For your kind info, second one failed here. When first one, second one failed, remove that in the options. First one, second one not required. Now think about third one definitely follows, it seems. Third one, some part of shades are beds, correct? Fourth one, some chairs which are sofas are not beds. Chairs which are sofas is this area are not beds. No, they are beds only. Chairs part which is in sofas are in beds only. They said not in beds. Fourth one wrong. You understand that clearly. Chairs and sofas intersection. Chairs which are sofas means chairs and sofas intersection is not in beds. They are saying some part is not in beds. No, chairs and sofas area intersection point is in inside the beds only. Chairs and sofas intersection point is inside the bed only. Not in beds. They want to say no. All are in the bed only. So only conclusion three follows. Only conclusion three follows. Practice, practice, practice. Today also hardly, almost we are discussing 10 questions from syllogisms. So please upgrade more and more questions, get more clarity here. No confusion, but you need to complete that basic video which we shared. It's almost similar to previous one. This is, I too agree. Okay, we are closing almost with this question. We are closing the syllogisms. We'll enter into other part also. Next, we are going for data sufficiency. Two questions, then one puzzle. I think one more, two more is the syllogism. With that, we'll complete one set of one, not two sets. In fact, I can say puzzle, which is almost similar to previous question. I didn't go with that question actually. Conclusion, conclusion two. That's what for practicing and all. We are going to give a login, okay, to the test portal. We are planning for that. Okay, once you got there, you can practice all this. Don't worry. Somebody said second conclusion failed in this diagram. Why? Some part of sofas are not in shades, right? This part is sofa, not in the shades. Correct only. Kindly upgrade, my dear. Now all plumbers are helpers. All plumbers are helpers. Some electricians are helpers. Okay, I'm going with one diagram. You can draw many more. Some plumbers or electrician failed. When first one failed, throw it out. Next, all helpers are plumbers. No, this is helper, but not in plumber. Second one also, third one also failed. Sorry, this is third one. This is my third conclusion. Third one failed. So third one fail means throw this out. Next, fourth one, electrician who are helpers means this is intersection of electrician and helper. They are plumber also. This is the intersection part of electrician and helper. They are plumber. No, they are not plumber. Fourth one wrong. Fourth one not there means this. So without removing all this, it's nothing but none follows is the answer. In fact, second one also failed. In fact, second one also failed. I will try. Somebody asking some question, I will try. But don't expect for every session. Please try to attend for the live sessions, get the inputs. If you postpone your learning, getting some support or some videos or something like, if people don't start learning, you'll postpone your learning. So don't do that kindly. Okay. Here, every helper is either a plumber or electrician. This is helper. This guy is not in plumber, not in electrician. So no, all failed. All failed. No, all failed, my dear. I'm showing you in this diagram all fail. You maybe tried a diagram like all plumbers are helpers, some electricians are helpers. It's your wish, but conclusion must be true in all diagrams, right? Are you missing that? Conclusion must be. That's what, sir. Okay, don't go with one diagram. What is conclusion? It should be true in all diagrams, right? How many times I have to say? You're drawing one diagram saying my diagram only correct. That's what you are doing wrong, dear. Please kindly upgrade. Be with the open mind. When you do mistake, accept it, right? What's going wrong? Here it's true, okay. But still, see, this helper is not in plumber or electrician. Second one wrong. All helpers are plumbers. Third one wrong. Electrician who are helper, electrician helper area, this guy, electrician as well as helper, but not in plumber. Fourth one wrong. At least second one, third one, fourth one out. Okay, some people drawing this diagram and claiming the answer. No, it should be true in all diagrams. That maturity, please get. Please try to get that point. See this data sufficiency. First statement one alone, we have to try. Two alone, we have to try. Not possible, then only together. Then only go for together. We are going to discuss AR also. Yeah, what's the answer? These two are mandatory steps. You must to do. I'll wait for your answer. For before question, none follows is the answer. There is an option called none of the conclusion follows. All wrong. Because first one wrong here. Conclusion must be true in all diagrams. One is not true in all diagrams. 2, 3, 4 also not true in all diagrams. That's why none follows. Conclusion must be true in all diagrams. Still, I think two more questions later syllogism is there. Now here, see, a well is dug and the soil has been spread on the ground such that it makes a circular embankment. What is the height of the embankment, right? This is regarding volume. This is regarding volume. If you want volume, okay, you want volume, circular embankment, okay, like a, we can consider it's like a circular cylinder, right? So for that you need radius as well as height, means depth. Statement one is giving height, depth means nothing but related to height. This is giving about the radius, together only possible. Only with this you cannot do. Only with this you cannot do. Both are required to calculate. When you know radius and height, both together you can answer. Alone not possible. Together you can do the things. No, it's not either one or two. How many times I have to tell? There is okay. Second diagram it might be true, but conclusion must be true in all diagrams. True in all diagrams. Kindly upgrade your knowledge. Listen, I hope my English is very simple only. It's not either or, you need both. This is regarding volume, not area, right? See, if you know this is regarding well, how much you dug, okay, that one you know, from there you throw it out, right? That volume you can consider. And still, one see the second question, second option. Sir, what is the second option, sir? Why you are killing me like this? Second option, none of the conclusion follows, only for previous. What you want to tell, I don't know. How both are, I'm not saying both are not sufficient. One moment, one here, both are not sufficient. Sorry, both are not sufficient is correct answer. Wait. I'm going with both are not sufficient only. Sorry. Both are not sufficient only. Why? Because of this is where what regarding well. From well, see, you have a well. From well, some soil you removed. Some soil is removed. Okay. You know, well depth this is depth of the well, means height of well. You know, radius of the well. Now you are throwing that soil out. Now the soil is like a circular one. Now you want to know the height of that means. Okay, first you need volume, how much taken out. Okay, from these two, you got volume of soil taken out. Volume of soil taken out. Or okay, we cannot say, yeah, dug, how much depth you dug. With that volume of soil, I can understand. But if you want to find height of the soil, if you want to find height of the soil, how much radius, how much depth you dug, with that you can understand volume of the soil taken out. But okay, if you want height of the soil, you know volume of soil, okay, you want height of the soil means you require radius of soil as well. Right? See this? Yeah, you that see height of the embankment, that is not height of the well, right? See they what they conveyed. Embankment formed from well, you taken a soil and thrown it out. You read the question, please. A well is dug and the soil has been spread in the ground. That is creating a circular embankment. That created a circular embankment. This circular embankment, okay, that one height they're asking, not the height of the well. You know, height of well, you know, radius of well, not regarding the soil. That's why I said both. Yeah, you need some other data also. Fine. That's what. Together not sufficient. I need some other stuff also. But still with this inputs, we can say together not sufficient. That's okay. Depth means height. Okay. That is for what? What this is? This is for well, not regarding circular embankment. My dear friend, try to understand. You have a maybe let's say you have a bucket of water. You taken water and thrown it out. It formed a circular shape like that here. From okay, you are digging a ground, right, and forming a well. You taken the soil and throwing out. That formed a circular embankment. Like it may be a cone shape or some other whatever the shape it may be, right? This one height you required, not this one height. To try to understand. Here the well may be dug in a different shape. It can be circular cylinder shape. It can be cone shape, whatever the type. But when you throw it out, it will be a circular embankment formed, right? You try to check that clearly. Please read the instruction clearly. They're asking height of the circular embankment or embankment in short. Clear? Together not sufficient is correct only. After together not sufficient only. Right, fine. So let's see about the next one. Now again data sufficiency. Try one alone, two alone, both mandatory. Then only go for together. Two questions in every set in general. In previous session, I am not done with the inputs related to data sufficiency. So those who missed the previous session, I already shared the video related to that in group. So kindly go through it. Now I know total weight. Yeah, if you know total weight, 8 is to 7 is to 5, 8K, 7K, 5K. Total will be equal to 20K. You know total value. You can find Q, definitely correct. Statement one alone you can do. 2 alone. I know difference between P and R means 3K equal to 15. You can calculate K value and you can find. Yes. Using 1 alone, 2 alone, answer is either 1 or 2. B option is correct. Either 1 or 2. Using 1 alone, you can try. Using 2 alone, you can try. Either or. Not 1 alone. Either or. Try 2 alone also. Some people, 1 alone, they are stopping their journey. No. Difference is always positive only. Always we need to positive. When they say difference, always we need to maintain positive. Now, this question, blood relations also, they're asking instead of puzzles. So, if time permits, kindly everybody focus on blood relations as well. In one of the puzzle, they're asking blood relations. Already two such questions they given. Okay, this is one among that. They're asking blood relations as well. So, kindly upgrade to blood relations. After this, two more syllogisms, then we can enter into abstract reasoning related stuff. Yeah, P minus R is 3K. Yeah, P is 8K. Here they given the ratio, right? P is 8K, Q is 7K, R is 5K. 8K minus 5K is 3K only, right? Guys, focus here, my dear. You can see the match and other stuff later, right? Now, serious. You have 6 persons in a family. Q is son of R. Son means below generation. Q is son of R. But R is not the mother. Q is son of R means R must be father or mother. They said R is not father means mother means R is father. Q is son of R. R is not the mother means R will be the father of Q. T and R are married couple. T and R are married couple. For couple, I am using this symbol. Different people will use different notations. I'm using plus for male. Below means son, above means parents, okay, or uh, aunt or uncle, those things will come. So here, fine. T is brother of R, okay. S is the daughter of P. S is daughter of P means S is daughter of R as well. U is the brother of Q. Now, questions what they asked, you know, how many children P have? How many children P have? How many male members? How many male members? How many children P have? Who is T wife? They given one of the options cannot be determined as well. Who is T5? Females in family or they ask these four questions actually. Females in family are who? Who are females in family? So first question, how many male members? We have four male members, plus indicates male. Second question, how many children P is having? Is three children. Who is T wife? Option is cannot be determined. You have six people all completed, but here T wife is not there. Cannot be determined with the given data actually. Females in family are P and S. So the four questions they asked actually. Right, let's see about the next one. Hope you understand this. No, why T is of under family? T is of same family only. P and S are females, correct? T is not from under family. They why? Okay, they are parents' brother, right? For U, Q is parents' brother. P may be from under family. They given the question here. They are living together. It's not from under family. There is a family of 6 persons living together. Yeah, my brother can live with me, right? What's wrong? Okay, I have children. My wife, my brother can live with me. So yeah, we are living together. Or family. Family means okay, they didn't said okay, your father side or mother side not mentioned, right? Family, blood relation. Again, I am repeating how you got this arrangement. Some people are still asking that. It's a very basic bundle. Okay, let's see about this. Q is son of R. Q is son of R. R below generation is Q. R is when they use this statement, when you stop with this, what is the meaning? R is father or mother of Q. Q is son means R is father or mother of Q. That's the only possibility. And immediately they said R is not mother. When R is not mother, we can understand R is father. P and R married couple means in couple, one male means other person must be female. Now R and P are couples, they have a child Q. They say T is brother of R. S is the daughter of P. As R and P are couples, S is daughter of P, R also. U is the brother of Q. Brother, same generation, same level, you have to write. That's it. S may be the wife of T. S is the niece of T. Niece of T. S is niece of T. Brother, daughter. T, brother, daughter is S. My dear friend, please don't connect just like that. Okay. Maybe, no. Fine, don't worry. They given the option cannot be determined. Don't worry. Now, this question, next question, with that, we'll stop CET. We'll give abstract reasoning. That will take around 20 minutes hardly. That's what you need to practice. Reading alone take 1 minute. Then you need to upgrade, my dear friend. You have 90 questions, 90 minutes, right? For every question, you reading itself 1 minute means you cannot solve 45 questions also, dear. You have to take the challenge. It's not semester exams, right? You need to take the challenge. You need to speed up. That is why training is given. Okay, you know this type of questions, how to handle. That's what we are giving you to speed up. So when I see the question, when this is there, you think like an exam. Yes, here we can put a timer. Next time we'll try that also. No stone is gold. No stone is gold. The stone and gold are not connected. Some gold are diamonds. Okay. Now, other side of the coin we can put like no stone is gold. Some gold are diamonds. See, this is also the thing. Now, many people will give wrong answer. This is also critical question. Option B. Somebody said two follow. Somebody said both correct. Now wait and see here. First one. Some stones are not diamonds. Yeah. No stone is diamond. If you got diagram, no stone is diamond. Then some stones are not diamond is correct only. I given in that in the previous session also. Whenever no comes, some not is correct. Whenever all comes, okay, some is correct. Whenever no comes, some not is correct only. So here no stone is diamond means some stones are not diamond. I can take it. First one correct. Here, no stone is diamond means some stones are not diamond. First one correct. No problem with first one. What about second one? This part of diamond are not in stones. Okay, good. So second one correct. Here, some diamonds are not stones. Stones are not connected to diamond. This is also okay. Then think no stone is gold. Only stone and gold not connected. Okay. Some stones, no stone is gold. Some gold are diamonds. But still, definitely, some part of diamond will not be in gold. Some stone, yes. Both true. Okay. Both follows. It's not either or both follows is okay. Both. Both to true is correct. It is possible to have stones in diamond, yes, but not all right. Not the entire part, right? Okay. Fine. Okay. One moment. This is one more important diagram. Everybody concluded both follows, but listen. This is where it will fail. No stone is gold. Some gold are diamonds. Now see this fun. I think here we go wrong with first conclusion. Now first one wrong. No stone is gold. Some gold are diamonds. All stones are gold. First one failed here. It's not both true. First one failed. Second one true because this is diamond part not involved in stones. This is diamond part not involved in stones. So it's only two follows. Guys, see this. See this. See this. See this. 2 hour session generally, no breaks will be considered. If you want, please take from your end. One more question with that CT will complete. We'll go for the critical abstract reasoning. Excellent question, right? This is. We got one update. Many decided both follows, but the answer is only two follows. Two only correct in all diagrams. Your first one failed. Be with open mind. Try to understand. Yeah, my statement correct, right? No stone is gold. Stone and gold not connected. Some part of gold is in diamond. Okay. Now all stones are diamond. Saying some stones are not diamond is failed. Here my first conclusion failed. Excellent question that is actually. With this CT I'm closing. Then we'll go for abstract. We'll have around half an hour. We'll go for abstract. Now what about this one? Why? Here it's failed, right? All stones are in diamond, right? Some stones are not diamonds is wrong. All stones are inside the diamond. This thought you may not get right now, you get update. That's what the thing we are requesting everybody. Please upgrade. Serious. Here, what's your answer? Now I'm just trying to give the outline. Okay, it will hardly take 10 minutes. Or if you are done, if you feel if you are done, I show the questions. Okay, if you feel it is done, you close it, no problem. C2 also false. No, C2 will never fail in previous one. In previous one, C2 never fail in any diagram. You draw the diagram satisfying the statement. So again, asking the question, what do consider if different diagrams give different answers? Your conclusion should be true in all cases. Yes, different diagrams obviously will give different answers only. Your answer should be true. If it true, it is correct in all diagrams. That's what right I am telling you, dear. Which is true in all diagrams? C1. Sir, C1 failed here, C2 failed here. Then throw both out or check for either one or two. When you will get the clarity, sir, still. It may be sir or madam, whomsoever it might be. Okay. Now all nuts are bolts, all bolts are pins, no pins are pens. Here nothing called either or. So if it is failed, throw it out. No pens are nuts. First one correct. No bolts are pens. Second one correct. Some pins are bolts. Yes, pins, some part is occupied by bolts. All correct. All follows. Superb. All follows. You draw a number of diagrams, you will get all follows. All follows. All follows is the answer, not option D, option A. First one only true. Right. So fine. I just want to give the outline regarding abstract. Some people are worrying about we are done with all. Fine, fine. I agree. Okay. Today, this is the last session from my end regarding CT or AR, whatever it might be. I just want to give the outline. Regarding AR, right? So I hope you know 15 questions. Question number 36 to 15 general. The topics to be focused on. One important update also you need to understand here is coding and decoding related around 4 questions. You will get around 4 questions. It may not be exactly 4, sometimes 3 to 4 like that I'm writing. Okay. You'll get more than 4 also. Next is number series and letter series. Number, comma, wrong number and letter series. You will get around 4 questions. We already shared a video related to this in group. 4 questions you will get here. This one video already shared in depth how to learn. This one video already shared. Next, third part is odd one out analogy. Here around these 4 questions. Odd one out analogy, 4 questions. Next, fourth one, visual reasoning. Picture image based reasoning or visual reasoning. Visual reasoning or image based reasoning. And very important thing here I want to express is in visual reasoning, they are giving 4 questions, and only thing people will feel difficult at taking time in abstract reasoning is out of 4, sometimes they're giving 2 questions from Sudoku game, Geo Sudo challenge we call. Okay, this video also already shared in group. Visual reasoning already shared in group. It's only done from your end. Geo Sudo 2 questions, but recently directly they given 4 questions from visual reasoning. In the sense they are giving questions from series in visual reasoning series, diagrams, analogy concept they are giving. You have to learn mirror image, water image. Mirror image and water image. MI and WI means mirror image and water image. Okay, they are asking, and okay, in recently one of the exam they given 4 questions only from this. As you people are not attempting Geo Sudo properly, sometimes they are giving, they're skipping the Geo Sudo. They're asking all 4 questions from this area only. So, okay, many people are feeling bit difficult only in Geo Sudo, bit difficult, not both. Blood relations not from here, blood relations is from previous. Yeah, so regarding MS Office, cloud and verbal, sessions will be given. Don't worry, you'll get clarity once session is completed. Don't worry about it. All right, so we'll take care of. Now see, we have around that 15 questions, half an hour. I think not that much. Also not required. I can see show exact question numbers also. This is one set 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. That's it. Exact one set. How much time you people are going to take to solve the question? Let me see. See the first question. If you're done bit before 9 o'clock, no problem. We'll close the session once clarifying your doubts. What's your answer for this? No PDFs will be shared in any group. Okay, kindly, if you want, you can take the screenshots while discussing. Don't expect the PDFs. Paper is 6. Stationery is what? Still you are taking time. Yeah. Number of letters plus 1. Number of letters plus 1. You should take hardly 20 seconds for this question. Number of letters later, they are giving many questions. So please kindly upgrade with this number of letters. One of the question they give number of letters -1, exactly with number of letters also. This is number of letters plus 1. Next they given cake is 400, BAE as 64. Then how would be bake coded as? Previous question, number of letters plus 1. Some questions they are giving number of letters -1 also. Good to see many people are responding. Next one. So C 3, A1, Kings 11 Punjab, K value 11, E Jyoti, E value 5. Adding all, we got 20. So 20 square is 400. This is 2 plus 1 plus 5, 8. 8 square is 64. Bake will be 19. 19 square is 361. Bake is nothing but 19. Okay, so we'll get 19 square as 360. Next one, odd one out. Among that, one is different. You need to identify the different one. Odd one out. Max to max, I'll share the video, don't worry. This is also typical question actually. Odd one out means one different. Among 4 options, 3 similar logic. See only options, that's also okay. 3 options similar, 1 different one. The different one is the odd one out. Among options also you can look. This is a typical question actually. All are following some logic. All are even numbers, nothing like that. All are divided by 4, nothing like that. Instead of that, we're not thinking about divide by 4 and all. Okay, here odd one out is 140. Why, sir? This is 3 cube plus 3 square. All options also. This is actually 6 cube plus 6 square, you know. This is 7 cube plus 7 square. 8 is nothing but 4 cube plus 4 square. See, you have an update. 140 is 5 cube plus 5 square is 150, not 140. All following one logic. This is missing the logic. Don't say 36 is divided by 3, remaining not divided with. No, not like that. See, there is a difference. All are following, all are divided by 3. This is not divided by 3. Okay, that logic is strong. Don't say this is correct. This is perfect square, sir. 36 is perfect square, sir. Remaining all are not perfect square. That's waste logic. All are perfect square. This is not perfect square. Okay, take it granted. No, so this is perfect square. Remaining all are not perfect square. That's wrong approach. Get the clarity. Thin line. Okay, thin line. So how you can get faster answers is by doing more and more questions. Only mantra is that. Here, odd one out. I'll give time for you people. Try. I'm giving all three questions on display. In general, in the exam also you have max to max like this. All questions will be at a time also you can see like three questions at a time. You try. Here, mark the odd one out. So as mentioned, one among that is different, remaining all same logic. Now, if you just look into that, FOT, F is 6, O is 15, okay, fix 6, T20, 20, 20. Likewise, okay, DMQ is 4, 13, and 17. Adding first two to, I think last one we are getting, or maybe some other logic also. We'll see. We'll see. Z can be taken as 0 or 26, no problem. This is 9, this is 13. RAE 18, A can be taken as 1 or 27. E as 5. You know, I hope. Okay, A to Z, A value 1, B value 2, so on, up to Z value 26. Next letter will be A. A can be taken as 27 also. A before letter is Z, you can take 0 also, both okay, acceptable. Now, F40 is wrong because last two difference is 5. Remaining all having only 4 difference. 1 and 5 difference is 4. Last two difference is 4 except that one. F40 is the odd one out. Somebody given RAE, somebody given DMQ. Next one. A after B remove, C remove, ABC, C remove, D, E, F, G removed, H, I, J, K, L removed, then M, N, O, P, Q is the correct. So your logic should have some sensible things. Somebody said regarding vowels, then here we have two vowels here, one vowel, one vowel. That's not correct logic. Somebody speaking regarding vowels. Okay, then how many number of vowels also required, right? Then why you are saying why you only center vowel? I count like number of vowels. Then your logic will be wrong, right? Here one vowel, here two vowels, here zero vowels. No common logic, right? It's not making sense. Please try to think about it. Next, take first letter separately. What is first letter? DIN blank X. Okay, D4, I9, November 14, N value 14. Next should be 19. S is correct. So first letter should be S. X is 24. Two lines, four directions. Next, middle letter, if you try, middle letter is also T. Last letter, waste. Don't try the middle letter. T is there in common. Try last letter. What is last letter? B, G, L blank V. Definitely here Q required. 17 will come. Q will come. 17 is correct. This is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. Last letter Q, first letter S. Only one option D. 41D. Next to 42, we'll enter into the next. I said series around 4 questions. We were done with 2, 3 questions already here. 3 questions already here. 4th question. See, here they didn't ask regarding numbers. They given all letters only. Sometimes they'll give numbers and letters combination. You cannot question them. I said 4 questions from series. You can check the analysis. That's why I'm giving as a set so that your analysis will be clear. Data sufficiency 2 questions. I given 2 papers together actually. Now here if you observe, you need a strategy. See which letter is to save the question in fast one. First letter is different in all, right? Try first letter. First letter is different in all. Try only first letter. P, S, V, blank. This is 16, 19, 22. Next should be 25. So means Y. So option D. +3 logic, option D. Try the letter which is giving you the answer simply. Not option C. Option C is wrong. It's not option C. Option D is correct. Next here also, please have a good thought process. Don't try first letter and last letter. See the strategy clearly. Why, sir? The first letter P, no need of doing that. Last letter O only. Every option is first letter P, last letter O. Why doing? Right? At least try the third letter. Third letter. I'm talking about third letter. Third letter TWZ blank. T is 20, W 23, Z is 26. It conveys +3 logic, right? Okay. Listen, Z can be taken as 0 also. 0 plus 3 is 3, which is nothing but C letter. So third one must be C. Third one C, 2 options eliminated. Next, see the second letter now. If we see the second letter, E, G, I, next should be K. Second letter must be K. So you don't do entire things. Try to understand. Okay, in this way. P, K, C, D, O. Not L, K. This is 5, Gillette 7, G7 or 7G. Right? So all Kings 11, Punjab, KVAL 11. All odd numbers, not L. Next, coding and decoding. You can see I said 4 from series, you can serve 4 series out. Odd one out, 4 questions, I think 1 to 2 only completed. Coding and decoding already 2 completed. Odd one out 2 only completed. Coding and decoding 2 only completed. I said odd one out 2, analogy 2. Coding and decoding 4 I said. I think we are done with 2 so far. This is analogy first question. Cat is given as 60. 10 is what? Cat is simple. 3 into 1 into 20. 60. 10. 4 into 5 into 14. You got 280. Analogy, 1 question. I said analogy odd one out together 4. You are done with 3 questions. Analogy and odd one out combination. Next, see 45, coding and decoding, third question. I said 4 questions. This is the third one. Might be, okay, here we have one more page. That's what. See, coding and decoding, one more question. Generation. Always write code related to that below so that you will get the logic easily. CIJINETMKR. C G is 7, C is 3, -4. E is 5, I is 9, +4. For your kind info, they given -4 and +4. N is 14, J is 10, -4. E is 5, I is 9, +4. So -4 +4 logic is going on. Now, if you apply that, distinguish. And don't try first letter. See, first 3 letters waste. Waste. Last 2 letters also waste. Middle letter also waste. Which one to follow? You decide. You decide. See, third letter, fourth letter is okay. For T, +4 is X. X required, so option C eliminated. Next, next letter is I, right? So minus 4. This is plus 4. For this minus 4 will come. I minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. E will come. We want XE, not XF. So D eliminated. Next, doing the middle letter waste of time. Then G. G minus 4 only. This is plus 4. This is minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. We will get C. I want C. Okay, still two options are going ahead. What we decided? X required, E required, C required. After that, Y also going to decide. So 21 plus 5, Y is correct. Y is still there. Then still this letter to be done. For I, okay, we need 9E. For I, it should be only option B is the correct answer. Right. So done coding and decoding. Now, this is what, okay, they are giving, this is analogy related question. This is image based or visual reasoning. Visual reasoning. So this diagram, right side, this went to left side. So here right side means it should go to left side. And here shade and unshade. Here unshade, shade this. So option C is correct. Shade, unshade, unshade, shade like that. So option C is correct. Right incline, left incline. Next one, again analogy. South is northeast, then north become what? South is northeast, then north become what? See, south is northeast, right? So south is here, northeast is here. South become northeast means it should come to this place. Means anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, it should move 135 degrees. I'll give another approach also. Anti-clockwise 135 degrees you need to do in this way, right? Now if you do from north same way, 135 degrees anti-clockwise, you will get southwest. The answer is southwest. The other approach, southwest is the answer. The other approach to solve this question is south become northeast, right? So in place of south, you need to replace northeast. This is the another method to solve. In place of south, put northeast. Meaning northeast means between north and east. First north will come clockwise, then south will come. That knowledge you need. Okay, so in place of south, put northeast. Yes, we put northeast. First north will come, then clockwise east, then east opposite west, north opposite south. Anyhow, we know. Now, what north become? Previously north, that is occupied by southwest. See, this is previously north. Now it becomes southwest, right? Between south and west. This lot only they're asking. North become what now? If south become northeast, then north becomes southwest. See the second approach also. Whatever it's convenient, it's all up to you. Now we'll see that pseudocode related question and one question related to image based and pseudocode as well. Okay. We'll come for this question and this question. Well, let me complete this one. 50th one, then we'll go back to that. I'm just trying to decrease the zoom so that entire options will be visible. See this one, then we'll go for 49 and 50. 48 also we'll discuss. 48 not yet discussed, we'll discuss. Here, analogy question, analogy 2 questions. We're done with that analogy, see that. We'll get back to that question, don't worry. Here, unshaded part is shaded. So here, okay, unshaded part should be shaded. And shaded as unshaded. Shape not disturbed, same shape. So same shape required. Same shape required. But this is to be shaded. So unshaded no, unshaded no, it should be shaded, right? And here below become above the things you can see now. This one should go above as plus symbol. Above is correct, not this position. So option C is correct here. For this one, option C. Somebody is asking regarding directions again. Is it method 1 or method 2? Directions, basically, if you don't have zero idea related to directions, at least try to okay understand. There is a video related to directions topic also, but not required. For one question, why all those, right? See, generally north, east, south, west. In question, what they said, south become northeast. This is south. It is occupied by northeast, right? So in clockwise, first north will come. Northeast means between north and east, right? So first north will come clockwise, then east. East opposite is west, north opposite is south. Okay. Now what they are asking, previously, previously south is occupied by northeast. Now previously north is there. In that place, what came? This is between south and west means this is called southwest only. In previously north position, what is now covered? See, south you replaced with northeast, then north should be replaced with southwest. Or else, very simple logic, very simple logic. South and north are opposite, right? Listen, south and north are opposite. North opposite is south, east opposite is west. Simple. Is it okay? I think this sounds bit good for you. This like things like simple. South and north are opposite. So north opposite south, east opposite west. East west. Sorry, south west is the answer. East opposite is west. Right. Now let's go for that 48 and 49 geo pseudo challenge. See, Sudoku game. Row wise, column wise, symbols should not be repeated. Symbols are numbers. They may give numbers, they may give some characters, different ways. Right? Okay, here you want to find this question mark. You have to do it in 1 minute. Don't take too much time. I'll give one simple logic. And already I shared one video related to abstract and critical reasoning in the group. Okay, already done long back. So you see there also I given some other question and here other question. So here two and there two, total around 4 questions. At least we'll get some idea. And related to Geo Pseudo challenge, already video shared. Now see here, what should be the first thing? Here dollar, I am putting colon. Here dollar, here semicolon, colon, and this is the question mark, right? Now in answer, options will be they given like this. Option A, is it dollar? Option B, is it star? Option C, is it colon? Option D, is it semicolon? Right. First thing, it cannot be. This is the empty slot. This is the slot you need to find. Right. And definitely, it cannot be semicolon out. Then what else, sir? My dear friend, before going for that, before going to decide what is here, where you need to start is intersection of more elements in row and column. Listen, I'm going for this slot first. I'm going for this slot and this slot. Why, sir? In this slot, I have more elements in row and column intersection. Here, I cannot get star, I cannot get dollar, I cannot get semicolon. Means this should be colon. This slot, I fill this slot first. So I cannot get colon here. So colon should be eliminated. Now your answer should be either dollar or it can be star. Either dollar or it can be star. Right? Okay. Now that slot is filled, right? Okay. Now this is the first one I filled. Next one, I'll go for this place. This place. Okay, because here row wise, column wise, more elements is there. What can we fill here is semicolon. This is the second slot I filled. Don't fill the entire, don't waste your time. Go for the intersection part more and more. Right now, I fill here with this semicolon, right? What should be come here? Colon. Now, colon came here. Fine. Okay. Now, star, colon, all this came to picture. So, colon, this is not possible. That's already eliminated. Now, this slot should be semicolon. So, semicolon won't come here. Semicolon won't come here. Semicolon will be here. Yeah. Fine. No worries. Next, I'm filling this slot where I have intersection of more elements. Third slot I'm filling here. Third slot I'm filling is this slot. It cannot be dollar, it cannot be colon, it cannot be this semicolon. So this should be star. That must be star. Okay. So and this will be colon. That's no use for us. Just need to minimize the steps. I'm worrying about that. Getting the answer all filling is not the case. My dear friend, what question you are asking to explain again? I'm not done with this. Yeah, fine. Your answer, okay. We I want to do it in less steps. I'm just trying to see what's the best way to do it in less steps. No, it's not a problem. Symbol with numbers also, it's not at all a problem, dear. You do it normally or with numbers, okay. Some of one of your friend might be okay doing that. That's also good strategy. He just tried to write in terms of numbers for getting clarity more. Yeah, that also you can do. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. That also you can do, dear. Fine. Yeah, we are getting star as the answer. Okay. Star cannot come here. Okay, fine. I am just trying for the better slot. Yeah. Instead of that, if we fill this slot, less steps I am doing there. Don't worry. We are trying for the less step, less steps to complete. So here it should be star only. Here also it is star. So answer is star only for sure. Star cannot come in this row. Star cannot come in this row. Star cannot come in this row. Star must be here. So option B, I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4 means first slot which I fill, second slot which I fill, third step what I fill, fourth step what I fill, like that I'm writing. Okay, star cannot come in this, star cannot come here, star cannot come here. Only possibility to star to occupy is this slot only. Star can occupy in this slot only. Star can occupy this slot. So star fine, but okay, sir. No problem, sir. You can do in different styles. There are different approaches. Problem with this type of questions is there is n number of approaches answers also. Now this one you take the screenshot as one of your friends suggested one better approach is, sir, write the numbers. Take R as 1, at the rate as 2, B as 3, this one as 4, so that it's easy for us to do analysis. Okay, that's also good game, good approach. In fact, sometimes it may save time for you. Yeah, we are giving the numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good approach. Thanks, my dear. I'm also got updated. Open here. When I learn something, I do say that. Yes, that's one of the better approaches only because people with numbers can catch the things easily. Instead of that symbols confusion, that's good idea. Maybe Meda or Jashwant given that point. Maybe sometimes you are ending with two answers also. That's the problem. Now let's see how you fill the question mark. This is the last question for today. Yeah. Now we cannot get 3, means B is not possible. So 3 you can eliminate. It cannot be 3. Then it cannot be 2. Okay, that also eliminated. It can be 1 or 4. Right. So, sir, I'll fill this slot or this slot. It's your wish. Where you start, it's all up to you. I'm filling this slot. This is 4 because 1, 2, 3, this should be 4. And here, this slot, if you go ahead, yeah, 1, 2, fine. And have this is 3, that's waste of time. This slot should be 2 only. No use for me. 2 we cannot get again. So that's not a big deal. Here, 3 also not an issue. Here we'll end with 2 answers. Sometimes. See, some people are giving 4, some people are giving 1. That's the problem. This sometimes they're giving question mistake, and you may end with 2 different answers also. There are questions given. Yes, I am showing you the one which is on screen. You can trust because I'm not given in a table. I given the screenshot here. Some people said 4, some people said 3, 1. Okay, check. I'll fill all the slots also for you. This is conformly 3. This is confirmed with 3, right? And this is confirmed with 1. This is confirmed with 2. And this is with 3. Up to here, everybody have a clarity. Right now, what is the problem? Here, this question mark can be 1 or 4. This is the problem. And which is correct answer is only God knows. Okay, those people don't reveal the key. So 1 or 4, here 4 or 1. Here also 4 or 1, here 1 or 4. Both okay. It can be 2 4 1 3 or 2 1 4 3. Here also 3 1 4 2 or 3 4 1 2. Both answers are correct. It can be this or it can be this. Both are correct. We cannot decide answer in this question. They are giving questions like that also. Image problems we discussed in one of the session already, and I think okay, it's time up. You can see the video which I shared. 3 videos including today's one. Okay, one video regarding AR and CT combined. Okay, AR and CT combined already one video shared, and CT alone one video. Today, the CT and AR combination also we're going to be shared. These 3 videos and the supported individual topics, if you learn, I think you people can aram say complete the things. Geo pseudo challenge. This pseudo challenge related questions also given. Separate video already done. You can do the things. Diagonally, you should not do, dear. Diagonally, it's wrong. Diagonally, there is no rule, right? In GeoStudio, there is no diagonal thought. If you go diagonal, how one is correct here? 4114. Is it so? Diagonal, there is no such rule. In Telegram, I already shared all this stuff. So thank you one and all. Hope you learned something in this today's session. Okay, meet you soon in future. Thank you. Any doubts from your end, please? I'm waiting for that. I'm done from my end.